Okay, let's have a look at this one here now. First thing we have to do is just simplify the z here. So the trick here is to multiply above and below by the conjugate of the denominator. So that's 1 minus root 3i over 1 minus root 3i. So if I multiply out the top, I get 4 minus 4 root 3i. And if I multiply out the bottom, I get 1 plus root 3i minus root 3i. So they cancel always. So you're just left with 1 minus 3i squared. So on the top, you get 4 minus 4 root 3i over 4, because I squared is minus 1. The 4's cancel, and you're left with 1 minus root 3i, as promised. Plot this on the diagram, plot z on the iron guard diagram, and then write it in polar form. So 1 minus root 3, root 3 is 1 point something, let's be a little bit accurate. 1.73, so be about here. Okay, there you go. Right, and then in polar form, so the or is the modulus, which would be the square root of 1 squared plus root 3 squared, so that's 2. And then the theta we can get by solving this formula, tan theta equals minus root 3 over 1. So that's minus 60. Sorry, I shouldn't do it like that. So that means theta is minus 60. And so the z will be in polar form 2 bracket cos minus 60 plus I sine minus 60. And you can do a quick check here. You can type in 2 cos minus 60 and you should get 1. And then 2 sine minus 60 and you should get minus root 3. And you do, so that's correct. So then lastly, we have to calculate Z10. So that would be 2 power 10 cos minus 60 plus I sine minus 60 power 10. And De Morvan said when you power 10 here, you just multiply the angles by 10. So each of them get multiplied by 10. So this would be 2 power 10, and then cos of minus 600 is minus a half. And then sine of minus 600 is root 3 over 2. So what I can do is I can pull the 2 outside. So that's 2 power 10 over 2 minus 1 minus plus root 3i. I can also take the minus out as well. So that would be minus 2 power 9 1 minus root 3i. Perfect. It's exactly what we were supposed to get.